Take a look at these golden drops. They're more than just a delightful flavor for your meals. They're the secret to nourishing your skin, your hair, and your health. Olive oil, a gift from nature, has seamlessly woven itself into every corner of our lives, from family meals and body care products to traditional remedies. Each drop of olive oil doesn't just enhance the flavor of our food, but also becomes a companion to our health and beauty. From crisp salads and crunchy toast to artisanal skincare products, everything contains the magic of olive oil. But have you ever wondered where this golden liquid begins its journey? Today, we'll uncover the mesmerizing journey of olive oil, from sunlit olive groves to modern factories, until it becomes an indispensable part of our daily lives. Let's embark on this adventure together. As the first light of dawn breaks, farmers here are ready to begin their day. Each olive is harvested at the perfect moment, when it has reached peak ripeness. The secret lies in striking the perfect balance between timing and technique. Modern technology paired with human care ensures that the trees remain unharmed, while only naturally ripened olives are gently coaxed down. Each day, a farming family can harvest tons of olives, but behind every drop of oil lies meticulous effort and a profound passion for the craft. Once harvested, the olives are promptly transported to the factory to begin their transformation. Time is of the essence. The faster the olives are processed, the higher the oil's quality. Here, the olives are meticulously cleaned. Even a speck of dust could affect the oil's delicate flavor. After being washed, they move on to the grinding stage. The grinding process breaks down the structure of the olives, releasing the first precious drops of oil. While modern machines have replaced traditional stone mills, the refinement in the process remains unchanged. The most crucial step, extraction. Using centrifugal force, producers separate the olive oil from water, pulp, and pits. The lighter, purer oil rises to the top, ready for the next stages. The unrefined olive oil undergoes thorough filtration to achieve perfect purity. Each step is executed with absolute precision. The oil passes through multiple layers of filtration to remove impurities, dust, and excess water, while preserving its natural flavor and quality. To guarantee optimal quality, every batch of olive oil undergoes rigorous testing. In a specialized lab, experts measure acidity, peroxide levels, and even taste. Only batches meeting the strictest standards proceed to the next stage. This is more than just a production process, it's an art form. Experts pour their hearts into preserving perfection in every drop of oil. This is the final step in olive oil's journey, transforming it into a finished product, ready to grace your table. On this modern production line, each bottle is cleaned, carefully filled, and tightly sealed to preserve its pure essence. But it's not just about the quality inside. Every bottle is designed to captivate the consumer's eye, from the shape of the bottle and the colors of the label to every detail of the packaging. Each element conveys a message of quality and refinement. Finally, these bottles of olive oil reach consumers, carrying the story of an entire journey, from sunlit olive groves and cutting-edge production processes to the moment it enhances a delicious dish on your table. Olive oil is more than just a product, it's a symbol of sustainability. Olive trees live for centuries, helping reduce CO2 levels and providing habitats for diverse wildlife. The olive oil industry continues to innovate, protecting the environment while delivering the best for future generations. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Let olive oil become part of your culinary and life story. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to explore more fascinating journeys. See you next time.